In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the roof tethers on our pop-top West Dub roofs, and I'm going to show you how to loop it round the roof and these little bars here in such a way that it's not only safer but it's easier to use. So whenever you pop the roof up, you can always leave a bit of slack through there. You never need to take it out completely. By adjusting this height here, you change how much slack there is there. So if you don't want that dangling down, all you do is pull that up, pull that buckle down, and you get rid of the slack here. So I'll use this as an example in case you've lost the structure of it. So I'm just going to take it off completely. So what you do is you start with a buckle pointing like that. So the clip is pointing downwards and out. You take the other end of the fabric like that, and the first thing you'll do is you'll wrap it around the roof bar there. That doesn't go through this bar down here. Yeah, it doesn't go through that. You loop it round through there, not through the actual buckle, just round the top metal part. That comes up like this, back around the top, so over the fabric you just laid, and you'll need to then get more slack by pulling this buckle higher and higher, and with this end you feed it through the back of this lower buckle like that. Just make sure that you haven't overlapped the fabric anywhere. And then in order to get that through there, you'll need to pull it higher and higher to get more slack. And that goes from the front side to the back. So I'll go behind that and like that. So that's the safest way you can use it. And I'll explain in a minute the reason why. So if you pause the video, please. Okay, so now we've pulled the roof down. Obviously I've got all the fabric tucked in. So this is ready to be tightened. Obviously you'd have your bedboard there to just hide all this fabric, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to show you this strap. So when the roof is going up, this is how I'd leave it. I'd get all the slack back through here so that this is there, and I keep the buckle high, and when you push the roof up, this allows the roof to open fully, because if I pull this down, you see how much shorter that is now, but compared to that, which goes down to the seat now. So whenever you put the roof up, you leave it like that. And now, as I'm tightening it, so I just push that little button there, pull all this through, making sure I don't fold or overlap the fabric. And then all you do is making sure all of these fabrics don't overlap as well. Just pull that there. And the benefit of this design is me pulling down on that self-tightens it. So all I have to do is hold on to this fabric and tighten, as opposed to pushing it up. And now that's solid. And before you drive, you always need to make sure that that's solid and fully down. Thank you for watching.